Hello everyone. So today we'll be starting with the next chapter, that is MySQL. Firstly we'll see how to start this server. So click on this Windows, over here type cmd, or else you can type the whole command cmd. You get this command prompt, that is cmd.exe. So start that. So you will get this screen over here. Can you see this? This is the command prompt. Over here. Now what will you type over here? Firstly, see over here. You have installed MySQL software which I have given. So install it. Then click on this C drive, program files, and over here you can see MySQL. It is installed over here. Click on this MySQL Server 5.1 and bin. Okay. Now, can you see this path? So just select it and copy it. Copy this path. Bin ka jo path hai, you have to copy it. So copy this. Now, over here, you have to write CHDIR. That is change directory. CHDIR space, and you have to paste it. The shortcut won't work. You will have to right click and you have to paste it. Can you see this path is displayed? And click on enter. Now we are in this bin folder. After this you will have to type MySQL space dash u space root and click on enter key. So now your MySQL server starts. Clear everyone? This is how you will execute this MySQL server. Now let's start with SQL commands. We'll start learning the SQL commands. Everyone knows what a database is, what are tables, field, record. These are the main things you will deal with over here. Now firstly here we'll have to create a database. So the command to create a database is CREATE, create database space database name. Suppose I'll make a database school. And you have to give this colon over here. This shows that your sentence has ended. Create database school and enter. So now a database with the name school is created. Then if you want to see what are the databases created, if this is the first database we have created, if you have created number of databases, so how will you check the databases, which databases are there in your server? So for that the command is show database, SHOWDATABASE and colon, enter. So to check the database, all the databases, the command is show databases, DATABASES, show databases, and click on enter. So these are the databases. First is information scheme, MySQL school that we have created right now, tab and test. These are the databases in this server. Clear everyone? These are the list of databases. Now if you want to delete a database, if suppose I want to delete this tab database, so which command will we use? Drop database, DROP, drop database space. Now I want to delete this tab, so drop database tab, 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 and colon, click on enter. See, the tab database is deleted. We'll again check it. See, I'll show the databases. Can you see tab over here? No, because the tab database is deleted. So this is how you will create a database, display the list of databases in this server and delete a database. Now, if suppose these are the databases, now I want to work on school database. So I'll have to select that database now, the school database. So we'll use the command use database, USEDATABASE, database, and the name. Use and directly the database name, use SCHOOL and colon. Click on enter. The database changed. That is, whatever changes you do, the tables you create, it will be created in this school database. Now, how to create and use a table? Now, to create a table, you will write create table and table name. Now, suppose create table will create student details, STUDENTS, student detail. Now students, please pay attention. Here I have used an underscore. Why? Because we can't use space in this space over here. We can't use space. That is why I have used underscore, student underscore detail, and click on enter. Okay, so we have created a table student detail. With this you have to create the columns also. So create table school detail and round bracket, click on enter. Now suppose we are entering roll number, RLNO. Roll number, then space, its data type. What data type it will be? It will be numerical. So that is integer, 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 roll number integer. Next will be name. Name will be character, right? CHAR. And here you can specify the size also for name. Because name में अगर किसी ने address डाल दिया तो that is why we will specify the size. Suppose we will keep it as 20. Name 20. And then suppose for now we will create just this 2 columns. Close the round bracket again because we have started the round bracket over here now. So close it again, colon, and click on enter. See, a table is created in school database. Table with name, student detail. Now if you want to display the structure of this table, so what command we will use? Describe, 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 and then table name. What is our table name? Student detail, STUDENT underscore DETAIL and semicolon. See over here the table which we have created with field name, roll number, that is integer, and name which is character, with size we have kept it as 20. So this is how to create a table and display the structure of table. Clear everyone? Now the next command that we will be starting is display the list of tables. Now we are working with this school database. In school database, we have to, suppose we want to check which tables are present. So how will we do that? We'll use the command show, SHOW, tables, TABLES, and colon. Click on enter. See, tables in school, that is school details. So this is the table that we have created in school database. The next command is how to delete a table. We'll use the same command, drop command. So drop. Now we want to delete this table, not the database. We want to delete the table. So we will use drop table and then table name. What is the name of the table? Student detail. STUDENT _ detail and semicolon. Click on enter. So this table with student detail is deleted. Now again I'll show you the database, that is show tables. We'll run this commands. See, empty set, that is the database is empty. There are no tables added in this database, this school database. So again we'll add tables in this database. That is, we'll use the command create table space table name. Suppose I'll directly write details and semicolon. Students, don't forget to add this semicolon at the end of the command and enter. Why is this error coming? Because we have not added even a single field to our table. So we'll have to add fields. Round bracket, enter, roll number, it will be of integer type, integer, comma, name will be in character, specify the size, that is 20. Then suppose if I want to add the address also, address will be varchar, because numbers and letters both will be there in address. So it will be varchar, varchar. Here you will specify the size. Will give the limit a bit more than that of this name. Address bada hoga na, so we'll specify the size as suppose 50. Next is phone number, ph_number. It will be in integer only. And here also we'll specify the size, because someone can't enter a phone number with 20 digits na. So we'll specify the size as suppose 15. Then close the curly bracket. ऊपर ये जो स्टार्ट किया था उसे क्लोज करना पड़ेगा and semicolon. Click on enter. See, query okay. That is this all this correct. There is no error in our query. Again I'll show you this table. How will we display the structure of the table? Using the describe command. DESCRIBE, describe, and then table name. What is the name of our table? Details. DETAILS. Semicolon, enter. See, our table is displayed with roll number, name, address, phone number. These are the data types which we have inserted. This is how to create a table, display the structure of the table, then display the list of tables in a database, delete a table. Clear everyone? Now you can even change something over here if you want to change. Now roll number integer 11 is there. I want to keep it just 2. The size of this I want it just 2. So we can change it. We can change the name of the table, the structure of the table, anything using the alter table command. Alter table. Now suppose firstly we'll start with changing the name of the table, that is renaming a table. So how will we do that? Alter, A-L-T-E-R, alter table space. Which table we want to alter? Details, rename. We want to rename it, na? We want to change the name. So alter table details, rename it as, suppose, what name will give it? Record, suppose students. I am renaming this details table as students and semicolon. See, the table name has changed to students. This is how to rename a table. Now if you want to add a field, suppose if you want to add blood group, the field blood group. So how will we do that? We'll have to make changes in the table. So again we'll use the command alter table. Which table we'll use? Students, because we have renamed it. So alter table students. We want to add column, C-O-L-U-M-N, column. Now the name of the column which we want to add, which column we want to add? Blood group. Suppose BG I will add, blood group, and its data type. Its data type will be character, C-H-A-R, and will specify the size of this as, suppose, 5. We'll keep it 5 and then semicolon. See, now query OK means this query is run. There is no error over here. You can again check it using the describe. Suppose describe, S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. Using this command, see, BG character 5 is added over here in this table. This is how you will add a field or a column in a table. Now, how to delete a field? If suppose I want to delete again this blood group, I want to delete this blood group from this table. So, which command we will use? We want to make changes in the table, now already existing table. So, we'll use alter table. Table name is students space drop. Now column name is BG. BG. Clear? Alter table name, drop the column name and click on enter. See, query OK means it is run. Again I will show you the table that is described students. See, the blood group field is deleted from here. So which command you will use? Alter table name, drop and the field, the column name which you want to delete. Now suppose you want to change some data type. As I told you, I want to change it for roll number. I want to make it this size, I want to make it 2 suppose. That is, I want to change the data type. So how will I do that? Alter table, the table name. What is the table name? Students. S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S. Students. Modify. Alter table students. Modify. Then column name. What is the column name? ROLL underscore NO. Roll number. Data type is integer. I want to keep it integer only, and I just want to change the size and keep it 2 and semicolon. Query OK. Again I'll show you the table, that is describe students. Can you see the difference? Now integer it is set to 2. So I think everyone has understood how to create a database, table, and how to delete or else make changes in a table. Thank you.